Hello everyone, my name is Irawan Andibicara from 12 Aircraft Electricity 2.
I am Laisa Salsabila from 11 Electrical Avionics.
And my name is Aulia Rahma. I'm from program Airframe Power Plant 10.
Today, we are at Sayembara Kompetensi Siswa SMK Indonesia 2021. The topic is tourism promotion, and we would like to promote you one of tourism in Yogyakarta.
Yogyakarta is one of province that has many tourism, local cultures, culinaries, and outdoors. One of nice thing is local tourism.
Now, we would like to promote you one of tourism in Yogyakarta. Yeah, it is the Dirgantara Mandala Museum.
Hi and welcome to Sayembara Kompetensi Siswa SMK Indonesia 2021, Direktorat PSMK Kemendikbud. At this edition, we will promote you about Dirgantara Mandala Museum in Yogyakarta. Dirgantara Mandala Museum, officially known as the Central Museum of Indonesian Air Force, Dirgantara Mandala, is a central museum of Indonesian Air Force. The museum displays historical exhibits related to the history of the Indonesian Air Force. The museum is located on the complex of Adi Sucipto International Airport, Bantul Regency, Yogyakarta, Indonesia. Dirgantara Mandala Museum has a comprehensive collection of aviation in Indonesia, from early biplanes to modern jet engine. Now, I'm so happy to invite you to get more information and interesting things about this wonderful museum. So, here we are at Sayembara Kreatif Siswa SMK Indonesia 2021, Direktorat PSMK Kemendikbud RI.
Do you know about the Dirgantara Mandala Museum? The Dirgantara Mandala Museum is one of the core tourism in the field of history and aircraft education, which is currently a tourism sector and is located within the Adi Sucipto Air Base. The Dirgantara Mandala Museum was founded on April 4, 1969 at Jalan Tanah Abang Bukit, Jakarta by Air Force Commander Admiral Rusmi Nuryadin. In November 1977, it was moved and merged with the AAU Kshatriyan Museum, Air Force Academy, at the Adi Sucipto Base, Yogyakarta. On July 29, 1978, it was inaugurated as the Central Museum of the Indonesia Air Force Dirgantara Mandala. In 1984, the museum was moved to Wonocatur, to be precise, to a former sugar factory building that was built during the Dutch colonial period. This museum presents a complete history of aviation and the world of aviation in Indonesia. The museum building, originally a sugar factory, was later turned into the hangar for fighter planes and transport planes that were once owned by the Indonesia Air Force. There are many collections there. We can learn more about history, plane, and aircraft. That's so amazing, right? So now let's continue our discussion about this museum.
Talk about tourism in Yogyakarta. Dirgantara Mandala Museum initially was located in Jakarta, but because Yogyakarta is the hometown of the Indonesian Air Force, the museum was moved to Jakarta. When you visit, you will see a type of great aircraft of its time. We are also allowed to take photos on the plane and even wear aviator clothes in the style of a fighter pilot on a real plane from the museum collection. This museum has a collection of 10,000 pieces, 10,000 photos, 36 airplanes, 20 X-diorama, painting, honors official attire, and a number of collection bookstores in the library. This museum is the biggest museum in Southeast Asia. In the masterpiece collection is a replica of Dakota VTCLA aircraft belonging to an India Airlines, which was shot down in the Oto area Bantul by the Dutch when it was about to land in Magwo. Okay, now I will present to you some kind of plane in Dirgantara Museum. UF-1 Albatros. Guided Missile SA-75. Skyhawk Fighter. OV-10 Brankas. NAS 332 Super Puma Helicopter. And 250 BJ Habibie. Hercules. Thank you for watching this video.
So don't forget to go to the Dirgantara Mandala Museum.
Local tourism, Soul of Jogja.